Thanks so much for joining us on this Christmas day. We've got the sunshine out for us. No snow on the ground, unfortunately. But hey, the temperatures are quite comfortable out there after dealing with a bit of fog earlier this morning. I think from what I hear, though, Santa was able to deliver all his presents around Northwest Ohio and Southeast Michigan. New information into our weather center. We are tracking a winter weather advisory that's in effect now for a few of our counties across the area, and that's part of our next impact that is expected to bring some precipitation to our area. Now, radar and satellite right now, we're quiet. We've got a few fair weather clouds coming off of Lake Erie, but the sun and mix of clouds are going to stay with us for today. Right now, many of us right around the 40-degree mark, a little cooler over towards Sandusky and Norwalk at 36 and 37 respectively. We will notice temperatures. This is about where we'll top out for the rest of today, but we will notice things starting to cool down a bit tomorrow, at least depending on where you're located. Here's those winter weather advisories in effect for Monroe, Lenawee, and Hillsdale counties. Also Williams and Fulton counties. Those start for tomorrow morning going into Friday evening ahead of some impactful weather. We're tracking some areas of precipitation, areas of ice for points north, and then likely going to see some rain further down to the south. Let's time it out hour by hour. So the rest of today looking pretty pleasant overall. Tonight, we're going to drop down just around freezing, and as our next round of precipitation moves in, notice we've got some pink on here, and that's freezing rain. Now, the good news is latest model trending does show it going a little bit further north. We are still anticipating, though, some very light ice accumulations across the area. Areas further down to the south mostly going to be dealing with more of just that cold rain. Now, here's the latest on ice accumulation. Again, you're not seeing very much here, but there's going to be some significant ice accumulations further to the north into Michigan, likely just to the west of Detroit Airport. So if you're heading up that way, keep that in mind. Temperature gradient for tomorrow is going to be pretty sharp. Middle 30s for points along the Ohio-Michigan border. Further south you go, though, we're down into the middle 50s for areas down near Ottawa, Findlay, and upper Sandusky. Looking at a bit of a cool down in the temperature outlook for the next 6 to 10 days. Warmer weather, though, staying well off to the west. Extended forecast. Again, here's that chance for some precipitation. High is going to be highly dependent on where you are located across the viewing area. You'll notice we actually warm up quite a bit as we head in towards Sunday. Highs now looking to reach into the upper 50s. Then another cool down as we head in towards Monday. Chance for a few isolated snow showers, and then we turn quiet, but at least cold as we start to finalize things out for 2025 and heading into 2026.
I am so sad that our warm weather is on its way out. It has been so lovely.
It's, in all fairness, it is December, right? Winter weather, it is officially winter.
It is. We can't deny that, but it has been so nice while it has been here. So when are we thinking we're going to see this type of weather again?
The warmer weather?
Yes.
It's going to be a minute on that.
That's all right, though. There is so much beauty in the winter. If only we had, some snow. That's okay, though.
That's right.